Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of the 3-part series of Honda Activa 3G LED setup. In this video I will explain how to remove, replace and install speedometer bulbs, whether it's just spoiled or you want to upgrade from OEM bulbs to LEDs. For the headlamp case and mirror removal, please refer to the part 1 video of this series. The two holders indicated by the green arrows are the turn signal indicators. I'm replacing the stock bulbs with green lens LEDs. All the bulb holders are T10 type. The two speedometer illuminating bulb holders are indicated by the yellow arrows. High beam indicator bulb holder is marked by the blue arrow. Gently pull out the 5 bulb holders. The removal of the bulb is pretty simple. Just pull the bulb out from the holder. Take care while putting the LED bulbs. You need to match the positive of the LED bulb with the positive of the holder. That will be all in this part of speedometer bulb replacement on Honda Activa 3G. Please subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon to stay tuned to more videos. In part 3, I will cover installation of power and lights in Honda Activa 3G. Procedure similar in most scooters and motorcycles. Thank you and ride safe, guys.